If we are going to have a lasting solution in Chechnya, I think there is widespread agreement that there has to be a political solution. And therefore, my report will obviously concentrate on the issue of the political constitution, political solution, and in that context, the issue of the referendum on the 23rd of March and the proposed constitution will obviously feature in my report. In the camps for displaced people in Ingushetia yesterday, none of us could find a single person who had seen the constitution, the draft constitution, about which there is to be a referendum. Not a single person had been invited to a meeting to discuss what was being proposed. That we must ask our Russian colleagues and the Russian government to think again about the timing of this referendum, even at this stage, to think again about the timing, to think again about what needs to be done to prepare the ground for a successful referendum, because we want a solution. We want it for Russia because we believe Russia needs a solution, not just Chechnya. Russia needs a solution. The world needs a solution. Because if we don't get a solution that lasts, it will be one more step towards global confrontation between terrorism and the rest of the world. Человека, который реально видел в глаза текст Конституции.